Hindi mo pa daw siya ini-invite sa Bohol. Ba't hindi mo pa siya ini-invite o pinapakilala ang Bohol sa kanya?
No, actually, sinabi ko sa kanya, I told you about the Bohol, right? Yeah, I told you about the province of Bohol. Actually, I told you, pinagyaman ko na yung mga provinces natin. There was one, Palawan, Boracay, but she wants to go to
So are you willing to accompany her in Bohol?
Wow, of course, yeah. More than willing.
Ah, more than willing naman pala eh.
Siyempre, para ma-promote na, para masabi naman niya sa kanyang bansa na talagang safe. Walang kidnapping sa Bohol, very very accommodating ang Bohol, na lahat it's a great tourist area, great beach, hotel like Eskaya Hotel is six-star hotel. Oh,
She wanted very romantic guy daw. So, mga romantiko ba ang mga Boholano?
Ay, mas may naman.
With you around, di ba naman?
Oo naman, romantic. Knowing you. Pag sinabi kong hindi, nagsisinungaling ako. Maraming magalit sa akin Boholano.